What is up, YouTube? How's it going, guys? Alex here from Hoppos once again. So I'm filming a little bit today, getting the shop cleaned up and getting ready. Trying to clean up as much as possible. We still gotta, work, of course. But we got a company coming in out of Japan, and they're doing some filming today. So got the guys getting ready, getting the shop cleaned up a little bit as much as we can. So as we go through the day, I'll try to film as much as I can, toss it up on YouTube so you guys get a little behind the scenes shoot of what is going on here. So thank you guys always for watching, and stay tuned. So while we're cleaning up and everything, I got a call on the shop line, and it was from last week. Last week I actually took my truck out. A few of you guys have seen my truck. You guys have followed my channel, you guys see my truck. I took it out to its first show, and again, it's not a SEMA truck, it's not a show truck or nothing like that. It's just my work truck that I drive around every day. And I guess I won. I left early before the show, actually, the voting and stuff ended, and I was just there to have a good time, nothing crazy. I wasn't there for the awards or nothing like that. I just, like BSing with people about trucks and cars and stuff like that. So, yeah, apparently I won, so I'm on my way over there to pick up my award and see what it is, I guess. Alright guys, so I just left Domestic Diesel right now. They're just down the street from my work, or, so it wasn't too far of a drive. On lunch break, pretty much go over there right now. Got second place. Second place for a work truck, not bad. And they also hooked me up with a cool t-shirt. Oh, sorry, blocking the camera here. Hooked me up with a cool t-shirt, so that's pretty cool, man. I really appreciate those guys. They're super cool guys, humble guys. One of my good buddies works there too, Jaime. So it was a cool show, man. I really did enjoy that show. There's not too many, truck shows like that, so it was pretty cool. I know a lot of you guys are watching it, you're like, hey, who cares? It's not lowrider related, but I have a lot of guys that ask what I do when I'm not working, so that's what I do. I'm still around cars and trucks, pretty much all the time, 24/7. Doesn't necessarily have to have 13-inch wire wheels on it. I'm a fan of pretty much anything. So I'm on my way back to the shop. I just got a call right now that the Japanese film producers are there right now, so we're gonna get back over there. Hopefully stop by 7-Eleven, grab me a drink real quick, and get filming. I don't even know what they're filming. Art set this up, so we'll see what's going on, and yeah, keep you guys informed on everything. So they just showed up right now, guys. We got Art introducing everyone up front right now, so we're gonna make our way up front. I believe they're starting to make their way to the machine shop right now and see how everything's going. So I'll make our way through there real quick. So Art's just getting done doing makeup. I'm just kidding. He's not doing makeup. So we have the Driveline guy here at the same time as the video guys up front. It's been a little rough trying to get everything all done, but got the Driveline all lined up right now. I got the Driveline going in for the 47 and the 62. At the same time, they're filming up front. The Japanese guys are still here, Eric, up front?
Yeah.
They're still filming?
Yeah.
So yeah, they're filming up front right now. We're trying to get everything, trying to be as quiet as possible while working, while they're filming. So hopefully we get some work done today. But the good thing is at least they'll do some advertising for us, right?
Was it?
About American lowriding.
What was it again?
American lowriding.
So it was American lowriding? That's what they're filming about?
No. I don't know, but it's something, a segment about lowriding in the United States.
Oh, they like the subculture or whatever they're trying to do? So that's what they're filming, guys. They're filming some, I guess they want to see American culture, lowriding culture, and how it adapts into what we do in our everyday lives. What was it?
You sit here and get paper cut.
So they just finished up filming about 5-6 minutes ago. So now back to work. Everyone's all back to go doing it. Another pre-wire.
Yeah.
What are we doing on this one?
Front, back, side to side, corner, corner.
As you can tell, he sounds so excited about wiring this right now, right?
Always.
We call him Monotone Eric. We're just gonna hold the camera on him until he actually looks up at it. There we go. So it took 46 seconds for him to look up at it. So you guys seen Eric? You guys seen Eric around? He's been with us forever. He also has a green dual. Has been around forever. On jack stands forever. Not getting done forever.
If I get some help.
We try to tease him as much as possible. That way it lights a little fire under his ass. Oh, can't say that on YouTube, but lights a little fire under his backside. And hopefully he gets going and he could cruise it with your wife and have the windows down and all that hair on the top of your head could just blow in the wind and you guys could go get a drink. And
I have been working on it though.
what have you got done so far?
All the back lights are hooked up. The fuel lines are all back in place.
You still have it up on the jack stands or the jacks or the hoist, I mean? So you got this really cool industrial, like, what is it? It's
For diesels.
It's for big diesels and city trucks, right?
Yeah.
Like city buses, actually.
Picks it up by the wheels.
How many tons did it hold?
Each one holds 12,000 pounds.
So each one holds 12,000 pounds and it's movable. It's freaking crazy. You could like literally move the hoist to the next spot. So that's what he's been working on. If we talk to him too long while he's wiring, the wiring are going to be backwards. So I'm going to walk away from him. So another one of our little projects we got going on. You guys saw these on Instagram. We had this one up on a flash sale and it sold. So the guy also added on a few extra things. So I believe it was going into Glass House, I think he said. Caprice, yeah. I think that's what it was going into. So you guys will see this up in the high desert. So we'll make our way back to the back. This thing just stopped working on us the other day, our pin cabinet. Everyone got good connections on surplus cabinets. Look at this thing. We could build cars, but we can't fix cabinets. So far we got some shipping going out today. And well, the good old stuff up here. So these will be done soon. I'm so glad. These have been in here a lot longer than we wanted to, but been real busy. So we cut out some stuff for the Japanese guys. I keep saying Japanese guys, and I know that's really bad of me, or I didn't get their names, unfortunately. They were pretty much tied in with Art. He was doing all the filming for the most part, so yeah, I really didn't get their names. So unfortunately, I'm very sorry if you guys are watching. I didn't get your names. If you guys are watching this, which I doubt it, comment below what your name was, and I'll add it into the video. I do apologize for that. But they were really cool guys. They were actually interested in seeing my truck, and the funny part, so they wanted to see the truck and wanted to see how I got up in there. So I did a little video for them, or I did it while they videotaped me. And so, hey, you guys want to check out the horns? Kind of tricked them a little bit. And I'm running 6 gallons of air back there on triple trumpet, 200 psi, dual half-inch airlines in. It's like 1 inch of airline coming in. It's ridiculous. And the guy goes and like puts the camera right to the horn. I was like, no, you might not want to go back there, man. You might want to stand back about 10 feet. So they scooted back a little bit, but I don't think they were expecting it to be as loud as it was. And the guy literally almost dropped his camera. I kind of felt bad, but it was funny at the same time. But yeah, I think they had to go and do a RW real quick, a rewipe in the back in the restroom. It was freaking hilarious. But yeah, so that was our day so far today. We're gonna do a little bit more welding going on right now. I gotta do a whole bunch of wishbone stuff. Luckily today's been a beautiful day out here in Southern California. So we'll get back to work and we'll see what else the day has for us, in store for us, I should say. What you doing, Vic?
Wrapping some pumps. Get them shipped out.
So we got Vic wrapping up a whole bunch of kits. How many kits you ship out today?
About 7 of them
7 kits so far?
so far.
So if you guys have anything missing in your order, blame this guy. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, Vic's definitely had his hands full today between all the filming and everything. We're getting all these kits out. So he still has to foam wrap them and paper wrap them. We got another kit going out right here. So we stay busy, right?
Yep.
Got Nally over here doing some blocks.
Gotta make sure everything's clean.
Gotta make sure everything's clean, that way you guys get some nice clean product. So you guys are kind of seeing just a daily run through of what's going on here every day. So for the aluminum blocks, this is what they're starting off as. Big solid chunk of nothing. And then finishing off to a drippy mess right now. But those do get all wiped up and cleaned up, of course. And polished out. There you guys go, straight off the machine. She's wet. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that on YouTube. They might demonetize me for that, but...
Here we go.
Alright, so it's running. I can't see too much. The mist, but yeah, I can't see too much. Well, I've got better videos on YouTube you guys can see of it all going. Thank you, Natalie. Time to get back to work, right?